Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions. Do you want to install Parrot OS 5 Home Edition on your PC or laptop? It's made easy watching our install guide. You must be seeing Parrot OS 5 Grub boot screen. To be able to reach at this stage of installation, you must have downloaded Parrot OS 5 ISO image and boot from it. Let's begin installing Parrot OS 5. Choose the first option on this screen, which is Try and Install. The initial boot may take a while. Welcome to Parrot OS 5. It's beautiful. Let's start the Parrot installer from the desktop. Parrot OS 5 comes with updated Calamares installer. American English is our preferred choice, though there are bundle of other language options are available. You can choose your regional language if you want. Choose your region and zone. You can also change your system language and locale as well. They are currently set to American English. At this screen we have two options. One is erase disk option and the other is manual partitioning. If you want to install Parrot OS 5 as sole operating system, you should choose erase disk option. Manual partitioning is for expert Linux users. Anyhow, let's move with erase disk option. You can also choose swap as well. Choose a username and password for your new Parrot OS installation. All done. This is the summary of your chosen settings and installation pattern. Click Install now to start installing the brand new Parrot OS 5, which is LTS base. The installation from this point will require no user interaction. This may take a while for installation to finish. Please have patience during installation as this may require a couple of minutes. It's done. Parrot OS 5 Stable Home Edition is successfully installed. You can restart your PC to start using your newly installed Parrot OS 5. Log in with your user credentials. Welcome to Parrot OS 5. The release of Parrot is bundled with numerous needed applications. Start exploring your Parrot now. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.